What's up, guys? Today we're going to be experimenting with the GringKing lockers. We're going to be mixing two of my favorite trucks. We're going to be using the hanger from the GringKing lockers and the base plate from the Slappy lows. I've got my sophisticated toolkit. This is going to be the most cinematic video I've done on GringKings, the first one that's not on my phone. I'm going to be putting these on the impact board. I feel like I haven't given it as much love as it actually deserves because it's a really good board. Seriously though, let me know in the comments if you guys have seen these before on anybody's channel. If you have, I'm not trying to copy you, but today we're gonna do it. The windshield on my mic smells like an actual dog, and I'm not sure why. It's brand new. So here's what the base plates look like on the GringKings, these little nubs. I call them nubbin. Guys, I'd like you to meet Nubbin and Lappy. We're just gonna do 2 bolts on each truck, guys. Sorry, it's not gonna be structurally sound. What have we created here? Is this how Frankenstein felt when he created his monster? I'm actually kind of excited about this video. It's gonna be fun. I didn't skate this board as much because it's a twin tail and it's really steep. But now that it's got, as far as I know, the world's first Slappy GringKings, maybe I'll skate it a little more. So here it goes from being below zero with 10 inches of snow to being 90 degrees, no in between. So there's more to the GringKing lockers than just the hanger. The GringKing lockers house many different innovations we haven't seen before in the truck industry. A lot of people that I let skate them said they're pretty tall and they wished they'd make a lower version. So I decided to make a lower version. So the actual base plate of the Slappies is lower. So Slappy uses the same hanger for their normal trucks and their Slappy lows. The base plate is what makes it low. Whenever I did the video on the Slappy lows, they sent me the regular Slappies and the Slappy lows at the same time to compare them. So I saw somebody ask, can you try the GringKing hanger on Indy base plates? So I think that Indy inverted kingpin with the Indy low base plate, the forged one, which is a little bit lower, like Thunder's, I think that would be a really good setup, honestly, with the GringKing lockers. So let's get into how it actually felt. So it turned really well. It felt like I was skating Slappies. They fit together perfectly, but the GringKings by themselves turned pretty well too. And the GringKings by themselves, since they're a little bit higher and the bushings are a little different, you can't actually get wheel bite. And I really like that you can't get wheel bite on the GringKing lockers. That's one of my favorite things about them. That's why I'm skating them now. So in my opinion, you should probably just skate the lockers stock. Making them lower, it just makes them get wheel bite easier. And when I was trying to do those 360 flips out of the quarter pipe, I was getting wheel bite quite a bit. I'd land perfectly on it and just stop. That is what I enjoy about the lockers. Now, there are people in my comment section that say they get wheel bite on the lockers. That's because they either have them too loose or they're just skating both top bushings. They just have them set up wrong. You just need to mess with it a little bit. You know, just be an engineer. Pretend you're an engineer for a second, mess around with it. I skate the top hard, thin black bushing and the normal bottom barrel bushing. And I tighten it until the kingpin is almost touching the deck on the board. So it feels like I can still turn pretty well, but it pinches before I get wheel bite. And if you're not skating it like that and you're getting wheel bite, try skating it the way I skate it. I skated the impact board for half this video, and that board is great for popping. It's great for pressure flips and stuff like that. And then I switched it out for my regular board, and they both skated good with the setup. These trucks feel really good. Actually, this was a great truck. It feels very similar to the normal GringKings, but it's kind of a mix between the Slappies and the GringKings. But this video is helpful because you know if you for some reason break your base plate or you mess up your bushings, you can use other base plates and other bushings. I think that Indy inverted kingpin that you can buy with the base plate would be perfect. I think it would be better than the Slappies for this. Maybe next time we'll try it on the 875s. I might be rethinking what I told GringKing about making them lower. I almost think I should just skate them wider, and that will make me feel more comfortable rather than going lower, because one of my favorite things about them is that you can't get wheel bite. So I feel like if they do go lower, I'm gonna end up using a riser pad anyway. Now that could work because it'll work for the people that want them lower, and it'll work for the people that want them higher because you can just add a riser pad. If they could just sell a hanger, that'd be cool for people, because the hanger is the main invention here. All the other innovations are supplementary, but they're still helpful and they add to the truck. So what do you guys think of this innovation? Let me know in the comment section below what you want to see me do in the future with these trucks. What should I mess around with? Should I actually invest in some Indy inverted kingpins and the base plate that's forged and try that out? I do think that would probably be the best solution if you wanted to do something like this. So stay tuned for more updates on the GringKing lockers, everything else I'm testing out, more how-to videos, and just whatever I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder. Scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, share this with your friends and your grandma, and thanks for watching.